myself Nishtha Mukherjee. I study in grade 2 Poda International School. I love coding and I made an app called Kitty Piggy Bank for kids to manage their money. And my ambition is to become space scientist. I will create satellites, robots for space expedition. Like every other kid, I also have my own piggy bank, but I don't know how much money I have. At that time in my school, teachers were teaching me money chapter. During that time in Whitehead Junior, they taught me money management app. So I thought, why couldn't I make an app for kids called Kitty Piggy Bank? So I made this app for kids to manage their money. Instead of physical piggy bank, they will have an app. In physical piggy bank, we just put money and sometimes we spend it and we don't know how much balance is remaining. In future, we want to buy something, we don't know is there enough money or not. And in one piggy bank should have one more called reward points, but is not possible in physical piggy bank. I discussed this problem with my few friends and elders. They also agreed this problem. One of my best friend Vedai says she also had this problem. She also don't know how much money she have and she spends and she don't know how much balance is there if she can spend again or not. One of my aunts says his son also puts money. He don't know the value of money and he just plays with that. For him, the piggy bank is a toy. When I discussed with my mother about my idea of reward points, she appreciated me. So what is the solution of this problem? Physical piggy bank is hard to manage money. So I came up with this idea of Kitty Piggy Bank app. This app not only teaches how to manage money, it teaches value of money. This app contains reward points, encourages kids to discipline. They learn nothing is for free, we have to earn it. Come across any other app that teaches kids money management. Some adults use apps for managing their money like Fast Budget, Wallet, Money Manager, Monify, similar of my app. My app is basically divided in two parts. First is money management. In piggy bank screen is total money, total spend, total balance. In add money, we can add money and it will get reflected on piggy bank screen. In let's shop, we can buy and it will reduce in piggy bank screen. Second is reward point. Reward point screen has total points, points redeemed, balance points. My another screen is daily task screen. There are so many tasks: sleep on time, complete homework, eat healthy, do exercise, good behavior. For any other task, we will go to my task screen. My task screen will parents will add some tasks, then children will complete, then parents will give their ratings. In redeem points, we can redeem the points for TV, play, pizza point. To get, we want to points to redeem, we will click here. At that time, we will go to another screen. We can type here and we can redeem point. This Kiddie Piggy Bank app is uniquely designed for kids. This app will teach the kids how to manage money and how to save. They hard work to earn points and they can redeem the points they have earned for any other thing. Both the things can be happen in one single app. As per my research and feedback from end users, in future I will include denomination of rupees for my money management app better understanding. Secondly, there will be a feature where any kid will misbehave, their points will be deducted. Piggy Bank app will help kids to become smart and well-mannered. Kids will learn about monetary transactions. They will learn how to save money. With the reward point concept, kid will be learn discipline and importance of hard work. Kids will become more responsible. Overall, the app will help building up kids'